brush my teeth, comb my hair, get in my seat, mom takes me there. Gonna wave bye-bye, go through the door, learn a little something that I didn't know before. First day of school, and I'm prepared. Oh yeah, alright. I'm gonna be here from 9 to 3. That's an awful long time for me, and I know you're gonna be right back. Gonna see you when I meet you for an after school snack. Well, I built with blocks and learned to count. Then I made some animal sounds. I had a snack, took a nap. I painted a picture of my cat. Then I went outside, I fell down. I got back up, then I ran around. Listened to a story, songs to sing. That's when I heard the school bell ring. I was here for most of the day. There still are plenty of games to play, and you're waiting in the car outside. I don't wanna leave, but I wanna see you smile. I know I love to see your smile. First day of school, it's my first day of school, and it's my first day of school. It's my first day of school. It's alright together now. Tell you all about it. It's okay. Feeling so much better now. First day of school, and I'm prepared.